Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going into a few products sent to me by a company called Onetigris, and it is a tactical gear company. I did a poll on my community feed asking who would be interested in seeing a tactical gear video. It was positive towards the tactical video, so I figured I'd at least do one, maybe two, and see how it turns out, see how you guys enjoy it, and see how it goes from there. But this is still going to remain a majority, or it's going to be mainly tools and automotive on the Camaro and stuff, so that's just going to be it. But for this tactical gear video, I'm going to go over a few products, compare it, give you some pros and cons to each, show you how they can be used, give you information on them, and I really hope you guys enjoy. Onetigris, the website. I also have an Amazon link down in the description for a bunch of Onetigris merchandise that I would suggest, as well as a few other tactical companies as well. There are a lot out there. As you guys know, tactical stuff in general has just become big in the last few years. But Onetigris in general sells a lot of personal tactical gear, canine gear, paintball and airsoft gear and stuff like that, as well as patches, which are pretty cool. But let's get into this, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so if you guys don't know, I served 8 years in the Army as an MP, so I acquired a good amount of tactical gear myself. So this is one of my own personal pouches that I bought many years ago, and it's a simple pouch. It's got MOLLE on the back, so you can attach it to your vest or your belt or anything like that. And then it's got the American flag, America, a little Velcro pouch up front, and I use this as I have an XDS, and I keep a couple mags of that in here. I also have a Kimber 1911, which I keep a couple mags in here as well. Here you can see you got the elastic portion that holds pens and markers and stuff like that. I have a waterproof notebook in here. It's just a little pouch over here, and then this portion is actually Velcro. You got a little not waterproof, but rain resistant pouch back here for any notes or anything you want to keep in there. But that's basically it. It's simple. It's got the Velcro there. It holds more magazines than it should, but it does the job. I've used it for a really long time. I like it. But now we're going to compare it to some of the stuff sent to me by Onetigris, and here is a roll pouch. It's used for like holding shooting gear, weapons cleaning, basically anything you need out there. It's got a nice handle on it. It's got some MOLLE on here, so you can attach it to different items as well. And you have a couple of clips here to hold it shut. They're adjustable, so if you pack this thing full, you can adjust it. And then some Velcro here if you want to put your name tag or anything like that. And they're all going to come in this really nice packaging. The part number on this is TGGJB16BK. All these products are available in different, camouflages or colors and stuff like that, so keep that in mind as well. Like I said before, it's all linked down in the description. But before I get to opening that up, another thing they sent me were a couple of their patches. I thought this one was pretty cool. And once again, all in the little baggies, which is pretty nice. There's the company right there. Just a patch, and it even has the backing portion as well. So if you want to get this sewn onto something, easy as that. Then besides the pouches, we have another pack here, and I believe it's lifetime warranty. So that's pretty cool. That's good. Part number on this guy is going to be TGGJB14MC multicam. That is the pattern of this camouflage. You got some MOLLE up front to attach different pouches, MOLLE on the back, as well as the straps, MOLLE straps, to attach it to whatever you want. Now, actually opening it up, it can be set up any way you want. You can use it for whatever you want. But you got some Velcro up here as well for some patches. You open it up. It's got this centerfold section that can actually be removed if you need more room, and it's got elastic straps on it for your pens and markers and stuff. And then once again, that rain proof. If you need to put a map in here or anything like that, it'll protect it from the rain. Pretty nice little pouch. And then if I were to use this, it would probably be medical or something along that line. You have 2 pouches in here that have Velcro, a back pocket, which I have a tourniquet and a flashlight, and then just dressings that you could keep in here. A couple different types of dressings, a cold pack, simple as that, and it zips up. And then on the back side, you got a couple bigger elastic straps here to hold different items as well. And then in here, you kind of fold this out. You got another zipper for a nice little hidden pocket, and you can actually fit quite a bit of stuff in here, so that's pretty nice. I'll try and add the prices in on here in text because I haven't looked them up yet. They're actually really reasonably priced. They're not expensive. I mean, I think a full Molly pack is around $80, and that's a good size bag, like a hiking bag. So that's really cool. And I got some medical shears in there as well. And then for this guy, this is supposed to be like a toolkit rollout, but it could also be used as a out shooting pad. Now it doesn't have cushion. You can get padded or unpadded shooting mats, but depending on what you carry in here, you could use it for that. Simply rolls out. You got Velcro up here that holds it all together, and then the same thing on the bottom. Trying to scoot this up. I just tried to load this up with a few items. The stitching on these packs are actually really nice. They seem really durable. Doesn't seem like much of a difference in quality compared to the stuff that I'm used to, so that's a positive. Now this is a little thin. You're not going to get, you know, much cushion. This is basically, if you're going to use this as a shooting pad or mat, it's basically to keep your butt stock and stuff out of the dirt, and just so you have a nice clean shooting area. But it can hold many different items. You got different size pouches. They're open on both ends, and then you got elastic straps of Molly here on both sides, so no matter what the length of item, as long as it's not wider than the wrap itself, you're good. I have a flashlight in here, my asp, nobody knows what that is, and it's hard to see, but these center sections and the Molly actually are different width. Like here you have some smaller ones, here you have a larger one, and it matches up with larger pouches as well, and you got larger ones down here and larger ones at each end. You got smaller ones as well. You guys get the point. But holds the asp just fine. Gerber, or you could use it for magazines. Simple as that. I mean, I wouldn't keep this in here just because it would probably cut up the bag, but I just wanted to use it as a demonstration. If I did use this, I would have the sheath actually in here as well, so I don't go stabbing myself or cutting the mat. But all in all, this is a multi-purpose kind of roll-out mat. So really, you can use these things for whatever you want. I just wanted to give you a demonstration of what they can kind of do. But to close it up, it's really simple. You hold the end flaps open, you fold these over, and then the Velcro sits back down, and then you can just simply roll it up. Really nice. Some really good products from Onetigris. I think these are going to hold up really well when I go on like hikes, or if I ever go hunting again, or to the range or anything like that. You can adjust, you know, you don't got to keep medical gear in here. You could throw some magazines and stuff and bring it along with you. But all in all, some pretty good products, really decently priced if you want to check it out. I made its own separate link down in the description, so you don't have to confuse it with the tools or the car parts or anything like that. But if you're interested, that's there. And I'll also try and link a pouch like this, because I absolutely love this pouch. I've had it for probably 6-7 years now, and it's held up really well. But if you guys enjoy this, let me know, and I'll try and keep doing more tactical stuff. I mean, I got a good amount of tactical gear in here as well. But if you guys don't like it, I'm not going to waste my time, you know, or waste your guys' time. So just let me know. And I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.